Hello, and welcome to our short video series which covers everything you need to know about LaunchPad Online, how to use it and how to get the best out of it. This video will explore the company profile module and how you can use it to your advantage when job searching, making applications and preparing for interviews. From the Companies tab, you can access over 700 company profiles on LaunchPad Online. Using the bar at the top, you can search by name, industry and company size. Companies we work with have the tag York St John Partner. They will often advertise opportunities with us and attend events on campus, so keep an eye out for them. When you move your cursor over a company, the option to follow them pops up. Clicking follow allows you to receive notifications whenever a company uploads a new opportunity or announces an event, which is perfect if you're interested in a specific organisation or industry. When you click on a company's name or picture, you are taken to their profile page. Companies input this information themselves and it covers everything from their size, CEO, year of opening, to their values, history and more. You can also access the company's own website and social media from this page. This can be your secret weapon when job hunting, as it helps you find companies with your own values and even helps you to tailor applications and prepare for your responses. Remember, commercial awareness is key. Thank you for listening, and keep an eye out for our other videos covering general support in using LaunchPad Online. You can find us on YouTube at YSJ Launchpad, our LaunchPad blog, Spotify podcast, and our social media channels, which are updated daily with new jobs, opportunities and events. If you have any more questions, please do email us at jobsandops@yorksj.ac.uk.